Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to update GPU drivers in Windows 11. No matter what sort of drivers you have for your graphic cards, I'll show you how it can be updated. So first you have to simply go to your desktop and then you can click onto the settings icon, or you can just simply search for drivers manager. Once it gets open, then you will find all the drivers in your PC or laptop available. From all these ones, you have to click on this one, which is display adapters. Simply expand it and you will find your graphic card. You have to do a right click onto it. Once you do it, you will see the option for update drivers. You have to first go with that first option and it will look for any updates available. If there's any update available, it will do it. Otherwise, it will say that your drivers are updated. I only have one graphic card in my PC, that's why I can only see one name, but if you have multiple ones, you have to repeat the process for every graphic card. But if you really want to check for the updates, like if new updates are available and you couldn't find it, then you can go to the website of your drivers and there you will see the option for downloads. From there you can download it in case you could not find in your PC. From there you can download it. So that's how you will be able to update the GPU drivers in your PC or laptop. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.